Welcome. Imagine a place where meeting new people feels natural and safe. This app helps you connect with others who share your interests, meet up in real time, and join groups that match your vibe. It's simple to set up. Create a profile, pick a few interests, and the app shows people and communities nearby or around the world. Conversations start easily. You can swipe to discover new profiles, send messages, or join live rooms to chat by voice or video. Built-in moderation tools help keep spaces friendly. If you prefer privacy, the app gives options to control who sees your profile and how you appear in searches. For creators, it's a small stage with big reach. Host a live session, build an audience, and test ideas instantly. For casual users, it's a way to make new friends, find hobby partners, or just have interesting conversations when you're bored. For travelers, it's a quick way to find locals and local tips. The design focuses on speed and clarity. Profiles load fast. Chats are lightweight. Notifications are useful, not overwhelming. There are ways to filter matches by age, interest, or location so your time is spent on relevant connections. If safety matters to you, the app includes reporting, blocking, and verified profiles to reduce fake accounts. If you want more control, there are premium features that enhance visibility and customization. Try it for 1 week. Join one live room. Send one message. See how many meaningful conversations start from a single tap. Download the app from the link provided, make your profile, and start exploring. New people are online now. Make the first move.